RC helicopters for beginners are a popular entry point into the world of aeronautics and RC hobbies because they offer immediate feedback, engaging flight dynamics, and a wide price window. A good beginner model should balance stability, ease of use, parts availability, and upgrade paths without breaking the bank. In this review,
Number 1. Cheerwing S107/S107G Phantom 3CH 3.5 channel mini RC helicopter with gyro blue. The Cheerwing S107/S107G line is a staple in the ultra-budget category. With a 3-channel 3.5-channel setup and a gyro-enhanced stability system, these micro-helicopters deliver surprisingly solid indoor flight at a budget price. The model variants, blue and crimson, share the same core specs. Small footprint, 2 selectable frequencies to mitigate interference, and a compact 16.8 by 2.6 by 6.1 inch form factor, weighing around 13.3 to 13.4 ounces. The target price of $24.98 places it well within the beginner's entry point, making it an appealing first purchase or a low-stakes backup flyer. Performance-wise, the S107 line excels in calm indoor environments where minor gusts are absent. The upgraded gyro system helps maintain hover stability, but the tiny airframe is susceptible to outdoor wind, and the small propeller size means it can be fragile on rough landings. Setup is straightforward. Charge, bind to a compatible 2.4 GHz remote, and start learning thumb inputs. As a starter, it's best to practice basic hover, gentle climbs, and pivots near walls to catch yourself on a miscue. The dual frequency option is a practical way to avoid interference when a friend uses a similar model nearby.
List number 2. Cheerwing S107/S107G Phantom 3 3.5 channel mini RC helicopter with gyro. This crimson variant shares the same essential architecture as the blue S107, offering the same 3-channel control, gyro stability, and compact 16.8 by 2.6 by 6.1 inch dimensions, with a 13.4 ounce weight. The Crimson Edition maintains the same price point, $24.98, and feature set, including dual-frequency switching and a single LiPo battery configuration, positioned squarely as a budget-first option. Deeper use case analysis shows the Crimson is best suited for indoor flight practice, where the gyro helps new pilots discover hover discipline and controlled maneuvers. The small size makes it highly portable and ideal for desks, low tables, or carpeted living spaces. However, like the blue variant, it is vulnerable to wind and rough handling. The small rotors and plastic frame offer minimal crash resistance. For families or classrooms, multiple units present a low-cost fleet for beginners to learn in parallel.
List number 3. XIKOTEC RC Helicopter. The XIKOTEC XK1 positions itself as a more feature-rich beginner option with altitude hold, 1 key takeoff for landing, 2.4 GHz anti-interference control, and LED lighting for visibility. It's designed for indoor use, but claims a longer effective flight due to the altitude hold and stable gyro. The dual battery setup and USB-C fast charging are practical touches that reduce downtime between flights. The product emphasizes education and family-friendly play with a recommended age starting at 6 years and a more robust feature set than ultra-budget micro-helicopters. In practice, the XK1's altitude hold and 1 key takeoff and landing reduce the learning curve, making it easier for new pilots to achieve stable hover without constant micro-adjustments. The 2.4 GHz link offers decent range for indoor spaces, but the airframe is still best suited to calm indoor environments due to wind susceptibility. The dual batteries allow roughly 20 minutes of flight time, which is a meaningful improvement for a beginner, and the included safety guidance helps avoid common mishaps with blade replacement and orientation.
List number 4. Obest LM19-D Chinook RC Helicopter. The Obest LM19-D Chinook is a larger-scale indoor-outdoor capable model with a 720p camera, FPV-style live feed via a mobile app, and altitude hold. It uses a 2.4 GHz radio for the RC link, 2 modular batteries, and a dual-rotor design emulating a Chinook, which adds to the realism and stability in flight. Its expanded size, approximately 2.95 by 6.54 by 18.31 inches, and heavier weight offer a more substantial feel and potentially better external stability compared to microflyers. Deployment-wise, the built-in camera and FPV feed are compelling features for hobbyists seeking a more immersive experience, though beginners should calibrate expectations around flight time, about 10 minutes per battery for up to 20 minutes total. The altitude hold and one-key takeoff and landing are strong aids for learners, but the larger footprint requires a bit more space to maneuver indoors or in a calm outdoor setting. The product's emphasis on dual batteries means longer sessions, but it also introduces more components that can fail if mishandled.
List number 5. Large 75cm RC Helicopter Beginner Kids Toy, 3.5-channel alloy LED lights remote control helicopter for boys. The SRE GNL 75cm model is the oversized option in this round, featuring a 75cm wingspan, alloy frame, LED light array, and a 3.5-channel control schema. It's marketed as an outdoor-capable giant beginner helicopter that ships with 2 batteries for extended sessions. The large scale and metal alloy framing imply improved crash resistance and presence, with the LED light array designed to enhance visibility during dusk or night outdoor flights. It's clearly aimed at a different user segment that wants a wow factor and a longer-lasting display piece when on the ground. Given its size, the 75cm model tends to require more space for safe outdoor operation, especially in windier environments. The 2-battery setup is a meaningful advantage for longer flight windows, but keep in mind weight and power consumption increase with size, which can reduce actual flight time if not managed properly. The model's 2.4 GHz control and alloy body hint at improved durability. However, the relatively low user-rated score, 2.9 out of 5, suggests that real-world reliability or build quality may be inconsistent, so extra care and safety checks are advisable.